So I want to show you how you can start making money on YouTube without subscribers. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So there's a lot of people who believe that in order to make money with YouTube, you gotta have 50,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers, because that's the only way that you can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per month on YouTube. And that's not actually the case. In fact, I've seen channels with 25,000, with 50,000 subscribers who are barely getting any views on a daily basis. And so what truly matters when it comes to making money on YouTube, it's not how many subscribers you have, but how many views you can get on a daily basis. And so today what I want to talk about is why you should start focusing on generating views instead of just worrying about how many subscribers you have. And don't get me wrong, getting subscribers is great. There's nothing wrong with having a YouTube channel with lots of subscribers, but that should be a byproduct of the views that you're getting to your YouTube channel. And I'm going to explain exactly what I mean by that. In fact, I'm going to give you some examples in my computer. I'm going to show you why I've been able to grow my YouTube channel to almost 8,000 subscribers as of making this video. And basically how I did this in a few months by just creating consistent content and being able to get consistent views to those videos by people who are actually searching for that specific content. Now, if you want to make money with YouTube ads, you can definitely do that, and you don't necessarily need 50,000 subscribers to be able to make a decent amount of money. In fact, I actually posted this video a few days ago where I show you exactly how much money I made last month from YouTube ads alone. If you want to go watch it, I'm going to put a link below in the description for you to go watch it, so you can see that it is possible to make a few $100s per month, $1,000 per month with YouTube if you simply know how to generate views. Now, there's two ways to monetize a YouTube channel. One is with YouTube ads, the other one is affiliate marketing, and I believe affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel, because you're not truly depending on how many times YouTube is showing an ad on your videos. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote different products and services, and you can make commissions for the sales that you can generate. Now, I've proven multiple times that you don't need a lot of subscribers, or you don't need any subscribers in order to make money with YouTube. In fact, if you go and watch this video, which I'm going to link to it in the description below, you can see how I made over $5,000 with a single video that continues to make me money on a monthly basis for a video that I did a few years ago. And that video still sits #1 spot on YouTube, and it continues to generate sales for me. And on that specific channel, I barely have any subscribers. So if you're watching this video right now and you're starting a YouTube channel, you're thinking about, well, I gotta get subscribers. How do I get subscribers? I need to monetize my channel. You do need 1,000 subscribers in order to be able to monetize your channel with YouTube ads, but you don't need 1,000 subscribers if you want to start making money with YouTube right away, because what you truly want from YouTube is you want to get the organic views. You want to be able to get those views and get traffic to your affiliate products, to your landing pages, to your website, to your blog. You want to be able to get that traffic and funnel that traffic to your website so you can capture the lead, so you can promote your product, so you can sell your own stuff. And that's what truly is going to make you a lot of money. So like I said, having subscribers is not a bad thing, but that's going to be a byproduct of the value that you provide in your YouTube channel. That should not be your main focus. You should still be telling people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, but that is going to be as a result of you getting more views to your videos, because you're providing content and you're making sure that that content is being found by the right people on YouTube. And so with that said, I wanted to show you a few examples of how I've been able to grow my YouTube channel, how I get consistent views, not just from the subscribers that I have, but actual views that I get on a daily basis to my videos, because I understand the concept of focusing on building content that people are looking for on YouTube. So let's do that right now. What you're looking at is my YouTube channel. As of today, after making this video, I have 7,748 subscribers. And if you're one of those subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing, and thank you very much for watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. What I want to show you is basically how I get my views and why you should be focusing on getting views instead of just worrying about how do I make money if I don't have any subscribers. Well, this is the way to make money without subscribers. First of all, I want to show you my Social Blade stats. I want to show you how many views I've gotten over the past 30 days and subscribers over the past 30 days. And as you can see, I'm getting subscribers on a daily basis. I'm also getting views, not a lot of views, 2,000-3,000 views per day. But here's the thing, I actually took the time to research some other YouTube channels out there who have way more subscribers than I have, who have 15,000, 25, 50,000 subscribers, and they're barely getting any views, or they're simply getting the same amount of views that I'm getting with just 7,000 subscribers. And the reason why that's happening, it's just because YouTube promoted one of their videos, the video blew up, and basically after a week that video starts to die down and their views actually go down. So they get a lot of subscribers, they get a lot of views for about 2 weeks, and then it just starts to die down. What I've been doing is entirely focusing on getting consistent views through SEO, meaning that I'm focusing on optimizing my videos as much as I can to get them to rank on the first page of YouTube. And I believe this is a better long-term strategy, because if YouTube decides to promote one of my videos and I get a ton of views in a week or 2 weeks, and I get a lot of subscribers because YouTube suggested one of my videos, that's great, but I still get my consistent views from the SEO, from the videos that I have ranked on the first page of YouTube. So I take a lot of time before actually creating a video on researching the right keywords, making sure that my videos are optimized, and making sure that I do the behind the scenes that I need to do in order to get that video to rank on the first page. I want to give you some examples of some of the videos that continue to generate views for me, and they just get the views because people keep finding those videos on the YouTube search results. So I want to show you some of those videos right now. One of those videos is ranked for the keywords how to rank videos on the first page of YouTube fast, and you can see the video right here has 575 views. As that video actually gets older, in a few months it will continue to increase on the search results for many other keywords, and it will continue to generate views for me on a daily basis. So that's going to add to the volume of views that I get every single month. If we look at another example, how to make money on Facebook, you can see that I have a video that was created 10 months ago with 84,000 views, sitting on the #1 spot. And then I have another video also for that specific keyword, sitting on the 3rd spot for that keyword. So those two videos continue to generate views for me on a daily basis because people keep finding those videos because they're sitting on basically the first spots of YouTube. And as you can see, I am not logging into my account. I'm actually using a private tab, so it's not tracking my history of videos that I have watched or anything like that. These are organic results that I'm getting in the US from YouTube. If we take a look at another example, how to grow a Facebook page, you can see the video sitting #2, 40,000 views. The video was uploaded over a year ago, and basically the older the videos get, the more work you put into the video, the more optimized the video is, the more likely that video is to move on the first page of YouTube. It will continue to climb the ranks on the first page of YouTube, and you will continue to get consistent views from that video. Let's take a look at another example, and this one is how to make money with Google AdSense. You can see the video sitting on the #2 spot, and again that video was uploaded 7 months ago, so you're not going to see results right away. You're going to optimize the video, you're going to upload a video, you're going to target and research the keywords and all that, but you're not going to see results right away. It actually takes time. But if you're willing to wait, and if you're consistent and you continue to create content for your YouTube channel that's optimized, content that's really good and people like and people are searching for on YouTube, you will get your videos to rank with time and you will get consistent views. Here's another example, how to make money on Fiverr. You can see the video sitting on the 3rd spot of YouTube for that keyword, and that video has 18,000 views, again 8 months ago. So the videos that I'm creating right now, they might not rank on the first page of YouTube for another 2 months or 3 months, but with time those videos will actually get better rankings, and I will continue to get more views added to the volume of my monthly views on YouTube. Last example that I have for you is for a keyword Facebook ad breaks. And I was one of the first people to create a video on this topic. And then basically I started to create more and more videos on this topic because I noticed that people really like this technique of making money with Facebook video ad breaks. And so as you can see, I dominated the first spot. I also have another video uploaded 8 months ago with 60,000 views, and I have a bunch of other videos talking about that specific topic. So it's all about being able to take your videos and put it on the first page of YouTube and having your videos found by people who are searching for that specific topic. Alright guys, so as you can see, optimizing your videos, SEO on YouTube, what I believe is a crucial aspect of having a YouTube channel that grows on a consistent and monthly basis. So meaning that if you want to get 1,000 subscribers per month, if you want to get 10,000 subscribers per month, the more people that find your videos on YouTube, the more likely you are to get more views, and as a result, you will get more subscribers. So like I said, subscribers are just a byproduct of you getting more views to your videos. So the next time that you are going to upload a video, make sure that you do your research. Make sure that you find out what are people actually looking for on YouTube related to the video that you want to make. You want to optimize your videos with the right titles, description, and tags, and you want to make sure that you're promoting your videos to give it a chance to actually rank on the first page of YouTube for that specific keyword. And if it's something that might be related to another YouTuber or another YouTube video, you might want to optimize that video as well to be related to that video. So when someone watches a video that has 1 million views and it's a similar topic or something similar to the video that you're making, if you optimize your video properly, you might get some views from that related video. So optimizing your videos is crucial. This is how you grow a YouTube channel. This is how you get from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, from 1,000 to 10,000. This is how you get consistent views. It's not having 20,000 subscribers and then just getting 500 views a day because you're simply depending on your YouTube suggesting your videos because your videos are not ranking on YouTube. That's not the way to grow. And so having lots of subscribers and not getting views doesn't make a difference, because what you truly want is you want the views. Make sure that you remember this, because a lot of people are confused that you gotta have subscribers in order to get views. No, worry about getting the views first, and then the subscribers will come because you're getting views, and it's simply a byproduct of the content that you're putting out there. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week. And with that said, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.